Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and everyone's asking, what is the weather like in March, and what does the beach look like right here around springtime? So today it's 59 degrees, it's almost 2 o'clock, and we're going to take you on a March drive.
Down the Boulevard.
That's right.
And so this building that we're coming up on here is the Holiday Inn Club Vacations. And it initially was going to open April the 7th, but we're not sure if that's still the date or not. But it looks pretty much complete.
And just in time for spring break and sun fun, we've put those top 10 hotels out, so you need to check that out. What
That's
was
right.
it? The 10 best?
Top 10.
Top 10 best. There's Damon's, where you can get you a free birthday meal.
Oceanfront dining. And Damon's also has a little shelter under Damon's where you can have
Weddings and birthday parties.
That's right.
And anniversaries.
that's right.
That's what we did for our 25th this time last year, about April the 4th.
That's right.
Alrighty, look, there's Tropical Seas. I think that is under new management.
Mamma
It used to
Mia.
be something else.
I think so. Mamma Mia Pizzeria is inside of it. And so along this stretch here is the top 10 that we brought you, that she was telling you about. But there's also a lot we would like to,
Like the Residence Inn
like that didn't make it off of TripAdvisor. Residence Inn.
by Marriott.
That looks like a nice one. So what we'd like to do one day is come down here and show you some of the other ones that are just as nice or look just as nice.
Like, look at Holiday Sands. So what we plan on doing is walking around and just kind of showing you some of the hotels and motels that don't make the cut sometimes, or
Right.
that you don't hear a lot about.
Because we pulled it off TripAdvisor instead of Beachin With The Boones visor.
So if you know of a good place, that's true. If you know of a good place, you might want to comment below and we'll take a look at it for you.
Right.
And just to let you know that they do not let locals stay in the
In the hotels for some reason.
I guess because we're just minutes away from the beach.
Right. And they, I think they're reserving them for tourists.
Oh.
Is
And
there
there's
somebody?
some motorcycles behind us. And it's almost bike week.
See, what's that one right there? The Grand Atlantic. It says 2:47. They didn't set their clock back.
No, that's right. We didn't set ours. Forward, spring forward.
So you think it's 2:47 now?
It is 2:47, so it's almost 3 o'clock. Wow.
Okay.
I was wrong.
Well,
Correction. It's 3 o'clock. We forgot to spring forward.
The Landmark. They just put last year this new water park. Yeah. I'm thinking about something else while I was talking.
I can see.
$3 million water park right there. So we rode by after it was completed. It was full of kids, I'm telling you. Right here is the tunnel that goes under the boulevard. That's the only tunnel that I know of around Myrtle Beach. Secret hidden tunnel.
And Coral Beach right there. We do have a video on that. That's a pretty neat place to stay.
Yeah, that came in on the top 10. Now, some of these also are on the worst 10 that we did last year or year before. And we're going to try to do one of those soon here too. Captain's quarters.
Now, we used to stay there with the kids a lot before, whenever they were kids.
Now, Hotel Blue is, to our knowledge, the only one around with a swim-up bar. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to go get it whenever they open the swim-up bar, which is, I think, May.
Yes, the kids are going to stay there, and we're going to treat Dad to a day of the swim-up bar.
Yay.
I say kids, but we have young adults. So they're coming into town. around Memorial Day weekend, and we will bring that to you.
Hopefully that weekend, right?
Yes.
Because they got the gondolas up on the Ferris wheel and Family Kingdom.
Oh yeah. Were they always black and gold like that?
I think so.
I thought they were white.
But a few weeks ago they weren't on there, so they're getting ready for spring and summer.
There's that Drafts. We always forget the name of that.
Drafts Sports Bar. That's a pretty big place for no parking around here.
Yes. As you can tell, they haven't done anything with the water park over there.
Splashes.
Still a vacant lot. Oh. Well.
Right there used to be Alibaba's whenever we were younger. So here's Sandy Beach, oceanfront. That looks like a super nice place.
It does. It's very nice.
Ocean's One Resort. With the R off of it. And believe it or not, we've heard a lot of good things about Bar Harbor, even though someone had it on their worst motels, but I thought it was a hotel.
Oh, Grandma. I almost didn't hang it up. It's very windy, so you have to be careful.
Shoot.
And somewhere around here was that water fountain, that drive, remember, that was frozen?
Oh, I think
Is
it
it
was
on up something?
Yeah, I think it was north of the Pavilion.
Oh, okay. So like we said, if the wind wasn't blowing, it would probably be a nice, pretty day, because 60 is not too bad down here.
Right. There's the Wicked Tuna 2nd Avenue Pier. That's a nice place to go eat if you want a good view of the ocean.
And they have a very
The pier's
outstanding happy hour there.
Oh, yeah, they do. They need to.
So just to bring you or give you an update of some things that are happening in Myrtle Beach, they have Pop Stroke, which we're going to bring you a video of that is now open at Broadway at the beach.
That's right.
And I know for those of you that love shopping at the Old Time Pottery in Surfside, they've been bought out. So they're now having a huge clearance sale on all their items, and something else is going to come in there, and I can't remember the name of it, but for those ladies that think you might get up here and do some spring shopping, well, just to let you know.
Well, it looks like they painted the Happy Holiday back there. That one was a top 10 worst
I made it this way.
at one time.
Yes,
Cause this right here, you said is condos?
that's going to be condos with like a little courtyard in the middle of it. So I'm not sure right there if they're going to have like a swimming pool on top of it, whatever they're going to do.
A rooftop pool? That'd
Yes.
be nice.
And so they're going to have little shops up underneath there. Now that is going to be a perfect place for someone to stay.
Look, people in bathing suits and everything.
I see that.
Like it's summertime.
Mhm.
Playing volleyball today, so yeah, you can tell it's getting warmer.
And don't forget, St. Patrick's Day is coming up next weekend. So we'll be in North Myrtle Beach for that. And then Merle's Inlet is also having their St. Patrick's Day celebration on the Marsh Wall. I think that's from 5 till
Which one?
9 at the Marsh Wall.
So we're gonna go to one Saturday and then one Sunday.
That's right. So you better bring your green.
And bring some green.
And drink some green.
Oh, green. They used to have green beer and stuff.
No, not down there in North Myrtle Beach. You always look for it. They used to a long time ago, but I think they stopped. Look at that. Look at that cowboy over there. See him? Ooh, is it packed? So, people are in jackets. And like I said at the Bloody Mary Fest, make sure you always dress in layers, for the beach is not a bad idea, even if you're coming down here to walk the strip.
And so we are in the central hub right here, which used to be the most famous part of Myrtle Beach back in the day. But now you got Broadway and everything else. She must be the mail lady.
Yeah.
I don't know where she's going. I guess they don't wear uniforms anymore.
I'm not sure. I didn't know that mail even ran on Sundays.
I must run here.
I guess.
All right. Let's see. That's 12. 13, I mean. So the Sky Wheel, we want to get on that soon. We keep saying that, but we run out of time.
With birthdays and everything happening every weekend. Some kind of Ocean's Cafe.
Ocean Escape.
Oh, Escape, okay.
This is an escape room.
I didn't pull that part up.
All right. So.
And we also wanted to try this ice cream roll or whatever it's called, remember?
Where's that at? It's back there.
They're right here. Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead. Right there. Can you read it? Read that?
Hit. That's henna. Oh, dragon's breath. The cream rolls.
Right there.
I can't read that thing from here. The
Yes.
cream rolls?
I guess so.
Oh, all right. So there's your slingshot that we're passing. And right up here is, what is that little fun plex? The fun plex. I wonder if they're open. They're probably not open yet. And if you're looking for some good places to eat, Riptides, the Tin Roof, and Banditos are pretty good places right here on the ocean. Oceanfront Grill and Rooftop Bar. And they're conveniently located right here. So if you're staying in this area, you can walk to them.
And then there's the Tin Roof. The Yachtsman just got bought out, we heard.
That is true, by an investment team out of California. So we don't know what they're going to do. Somebody said housing.
That'd be neat, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
They're going to rent out all the rooms as condos and
Or something like that.
let people have ownership in their own beach house.
That's what I heard. We'll have to see. And Roxanne Tower, see, they never make the cut.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
It does. And I see haven't started cutting ground for the Margaritaville.
Right. But that's where it's going to be. Right over here.
That's right. It'll be interesting to see that. The one in Gatlinburg is very nice. Oh, look at that. I've never seen that.
And up here is Bum's Cafe. They're right on the ocean as well.
And Lulu's, which will be opening soon. And I love that place. That is a very good
Yeah, Lulu's
breakfast brunch place. One of my favorites.
It's supposed to open now.
Oh, well,
I guess it's open. See cars?
what time is it? Well, it is 3.
Well,
I think they do close at 3 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, we're going to let these nice folks cross on over. Okay, well, I guess this is going to end it right here.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining in any way, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because it helps bring more videos like this.
That's
Until
right.
next time.
Keep beaching and see you in the next video.